Hey guys, everyone say hi to Rob.
Hey Rob.
Hey everyone.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good to see ya.
That was such a good slide.
Welcome to Fox Farm Ranch. Let's take a look. Come on in.
Look at this cement. I've never seen a cement stairwell.
No.
How do they do this?
There's a passion project of mine to work on it and to design it and to improve it to make it so that people can actually enjoy it.
Tell me some of the unique elements of this house, because obviously I notice, right off the bat that this is not your traditional home.
It is a piece of art, yeah. So it was actually built in 1980.
Okay.
We completely remodeled it in the last year. This is a bermed earth sheltered home, which means that the earth actually comes up. On the third floor, you can walk out. It was built as a passive solar house, in 1980. So it meant that the house faces the southwest, and the glass is meant to capture all the light and all the heat.
It's incredibly interesting to me that they had this concept of just using the sun to be the heating temperature of the house, but also using the mountain to be the cooling temperature. And so you really are contrasting both to give you, different elements throughout the day.
So the original home had sliding soshi walls, which had zero privacy. We had some friends here, they call it the real world house, because when we stayed,
everybody knew whatever was going on.
Everything. There was no ventilation in the home. So, when you had a stove, there was no ventilation even for the dryer. It's blending that art with practicality, right? Getting the heat that it works, making sure you have privacy, making sure that people are comfortable, but then at the same time being able to have all these unique, cool features. And that's the challenge.
Walk me through when you walk in the house, the layout of everything, and take me from here all the way up.
First floor, we've got a big kitchen, huge island that's meant for people gathering. And then we've got a little sunroom, we've got a TV. On the second floor, we've got an office up there, 2 bedrooms, both with king beds and their own bathrooms. And then on the third floor, it's our primary suite, opens up onto its own terrace. It's got a big tub and shower, and then there's a guest house.
Okay, and where's that located?
So the guest house is right up the hill.
Right up the hill?
Right up the hill.
Should we go give it a little look?
Let's go check it out.
Okay. You're not as out of breath as I am.
No, well, I'm a little more used to it than you, so.
Yeah, the view up here is spectacular. Wait, was this always the guest house?
The lower level was a bedroom, and then upper level was a garage.
Oh, wow.
So converted it. It's now 2 bedrooms, and then we've got a work pod on the side.
1 bedroom upstairs?
A 1 bedroom with a bath, and then downstairs is a 1 bedroom with a bath, and then there's a loft and a kitchen, galley, living area that's kind of all confined. You're really part of nature here, but also so close to the action when you want it. So.
I appreciate you for having me.
Well, I'm glad you were able to come to Fox Farm Ranch, and why don't you come join us and hang out for a little sundown?
You got it.
All right.
I got it. Best way to get down?
Sled Hill.
Oh, there goes nothing.
All right. Nice work. What'd you think of Fox Farm Ranch?
Oh, it's great, man.
I love it.
You know what make this epicer?
Is that a word?
I don't know. But a shot.
All right,
would be amazing.
Grab one and join the party.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is this?
That's Fortaleza.
Ooh. Cheers, man.
All right. There we go.
All right, cheers.
Oh,
Cheers.
Look at that.